Okay, let's install this machine. This is the X-axis. Remove it first. Let's install this foot first. It's like this. Then we first identify the direction. This motor is on the left, its feet are on the right. Probably something like this. Next, we assemble it. Let's prepare the tools. Prepared tools. We have 5 tools here. There are 4 hex screwdrivers and a wrench. Then we use the largest hex driver. We use it to adjust this screw. Adjust the angle of the T-shaped nut. Plug this in. Adjust the angle of the T-shaped nut. Plug it in. Then use a screwdriver. Lock it first, don't lock it too tightly. Same on the other side. This is the rubber feet, the direction is outward. Then we install. Adjust the angle of the T-nut. If it doesn't get in, it needs to be adjusted. Using a screwdriver, unscrew it a bit. Can be inserted after adjustment. It's done here too. Then turn this screw a little. Tighten the screws a little, but don't tighten them. At this time, we are looking for a horizontal desktop. Level the machine. Then we tighten the screws. Tighten the screws. Same here, lock the screw. Tighten the screws. Done. The feet of the machine are already installed. Then next we install the X-axis. First remove the 4 nuts. Unscrew this nut. Press the screw at the bottom by hand. Hold press the screw so that the screw does not fall off. Then take this washer away. Because he is not a horizontal plane here, it's a boss, so a spacer was added. Then put this X-axis on it. When installing, also use 2 fingers. One finger is on this side, the other finger is on this side of the screw. Press this screw to keep the screw from falling out. Then install the X-axis in. Okay. Don't lose this gasket either. Put it on. Tighten the nut. All 4 large nuts are locked. Next, we connect the wires. Straighten the cable. Okay. This one. Y motor. Connect this Y motor. The X motor. Connect to the X motor. Let's check. It can see the metal in it. It's up. Then here it sees that the metal is up. This interface is anti-reverse connection. Okay. Then another. Z motor. Connected to the Z motor. Then the next step. Install the pen holder. Let's see what's in the pen holder kit. First, there is a pen holder. 2 screws. In fact, we only need to use 1 screw. The other is a spare. Then we use the second largest tool. Choose this screw hole. Select the hole in the middle. Let's lock it first. Can be rotated to adjust the angle of the pen holder. Generally slightly inclined to install the pen holder. Pen is tilted. Can also be installed vertically at 90 degrees. Slightly inclined installation here. Tighten the screws. Next, let's talk about installing the pen. Prepare a pen. Put the pen in the pen holder. The tip of the pen is about 3 to 5 mm from the surface of the paper. This largest screwdriver is 3 毫米. The tip of the pen is about the same height as the paper surface. Tighten the screws. Next, introduce the connection to the USB cable. This one is the USB interface. This one is the DC power interface. This is the laser interface. Connect the USB cable to this port. This is the DC power adapter. Connect the DC power adapter. Connect to AC outlet. AC power on. The power indicator of the circuit board is on, indicating that it is powered on. This is a pause button. This one is connected to the USB interface of our computer. Assembled now.